Confused by home loan language like variable, fixed, offset, or redraw? You are not alone. Choosing the right home loan can feel overwhelming with way too many options. Hey future homeowners, Alex here, your home buying mentor from Funded Finance. Today, I'm breaking down probably the most common home loan types and features, explaining their pros, their cons in plain old English, so you can choose the perfect loan for your financial future. Your home loan is likely the biggest financial commitment you're ever going to make, so understanding the nuts and bolts is absolutely crucial. It is definitely not just about the interest rate. It's about the structure, the features, and making sure that they all align with your lifestyle, your goals, and your risk tolerance. So let's demystify these options so you can make a truly informed decision. First up, variable rate home loans. Now, as the name suggests, this is an interest rate that can vary. It'll go either up or down, and generally that is in line with the RBA, or the Reserve Bank of Australia's cash rate decisions that they hand down every 6 weeks on a Tuesday. It can be other factors, but that's the main one. Now, the pros of a variable rate loan is that it comes with way more flexibility. It means you can pay extra onto your home loan without any sort of penalty or fees associated with it. And they often include these other cool features like offset accounts and redraws, which we'll go through in a second. The other thing is, if interest rates fall, your interest costs and repayments go down with it. Now, the cons, the negatives. The main drawback is uncertainty. If your interest rate rises, your repayments will increase and potentially impact your budget as well. The next one is fixed rate loans. Now, with these, the interest is locked in and set for a period of time, typically 1 to 3 years, but can be up to 5. And the entire fixed rate term, your repayments remain exactly the same. The benefit here is budgeting and certainty and predictability. You know exactly what your repayments will be. Your budget is easy. You know what's happening. If you've got a life event, really great thing because it provides peace of mind, especially in a volatile rate market. Now, if market interest rates drop during your fixed rate term, the negative or the con here is that you won't benefit from those lower rates. The fixed loans often have less flexibility, and making extra repayments is hard or impossible without incurring repayment break costs or fees if you were to do that early. They also typically don't offer features like offset accounts or redraw. Now, the third type of loan, and the best of both worlds if you can't stop sitting on a fence, is the split rate loan. So that's a variable and a fixed. It allows you to divide your home loan into 2 or more portions, with one part fixed and the other part variable. This gives you the best of both worlds. You get the certainty of fixed while also benefiting from, flexible things like variable rate loans, offset and redraw facilities. So you get the budgeting and the savings benefits, and it's a great way to hedge your bets on both. The cons, while flexible, split rate loans can be a little bit more complex to manage and understand, and it is harder at times to combine those two into one home loan if you want to later on. Now, the features. So we've got the offset account, which is an incredible loan feature. It's just like a normal transaction account, works exactly the same, and it's linked to a variable rate home loan. Now, how it works is the money you keep in your offset is offset against your home loan balance. So if you owe $500,000 on your loan but have 50 grand in offset, you only pay interest on 450,000. This can save you thousands of freaking dollars in interest over the life of your loan, potentially helping you pay it off faster. Personally, it's taken off almost 12 years off my home loan just by using an offset account. And the interest saved is not taxable income as well. The cons, loans with offset accounts may have slightly higher interest rates in some cases, but it's really the annual package fees. You need to ensure that we're providing comparison that shows all of that so you can make an informed decision. The other feature is finally redraw facilities, and this is a little bit complex, but essentially the feature allows you to access any extra repayments you've made onto your home loan beyond your scheduled minimum payments. How it works is if you pay an extra $500 a month, that $500 reduces your loan balance, saving you interest. Now, if an unexpected expense comes up, a redraw facility lets you pull those extra funds back out. The pros there is it acts as a flexible safety net. Now, that allows you to pay down your loan faster while maintaining access to your funds for other emergencies or needs. The negatives is, unlike an offset account, it's not a separate transaction account, and some lenders might have minimum redraw amounts or limits on how often you can redraw. Also, redrawing increases your loan balance and therefore the interest you'll pay. And to be honest, you're putting money completely in the bank's hand by paying that debt off. Choosing the right home loan type and feature is a highly personal decision. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, and what works for one person will not work for another and may not even be ideal for a third. So that's where a mortgage broker like myself comes in from Funded Finance. We don't just compare your interest rates. We'll take time to understand your goals, your comfort with risk, and your income stability. And essentially, we'll deliver a plan that you want and you're comfortable with. I'll match you with loan types and features that truly align with your unique situation, ensuring you're not paying for features or fees that you definitely don't need and ones that could potentially save you thousands of dollars. Don't guess when it comes to your home loan, right? Get expert advice, personalized consultation, and to explore which loan type is right for you, reach out to Funded Finance and we'll enable you to find the perfect home loan fit.